Hello friends, welcome to CCA English classes. In today's video, we will clear your concepts about will, first form any future simple, will be ing form of verb, and going to is going to. For the difference, let's see. First, yes, with conversation we are going to learn all these things. Tell me, Lavina, where will you go next Sunday?
I will be going to picnic.
Yes, I will be going on a picnic. So, will be going to here, Lavina use it means she will definitely go. We use will be going to make any statement definite. Okay. Will you go with your friends?
Yes,
Okay. Yes, I will go
with
there with my friends. Okay. So, will you arrange all the necessary things for the picnic?
yes, I will arrange.
Okay. Then, what time will you reach there? आप कितने बजे पहुंचेंगी? So, कितने बजे? What time? Question word will subject first. What time will you reach there?
At 10 o'clock.
Good. So we will reach there at 10. If we are going to make any statement definite, we will use will be. We will be reaching there at 10 o'clock. Will you cook there?
No, we.
What?
No, we won't.
Yes, we will. No, we won't. No, we won't. Okay. What else will you do there? और क्या करेंगी? So what we use? What else will you do there?
We will enjoy picnic and we singing song.
We will sing songs.
We will sing song and we enjoyed photography.
We will enjoy.
Photography.
Okay. Nice. Okay. So it's indefinite. If we use subject will first form, we will do all these things. Not sure. But if we are making it definite, then we use subject will be, then first form ing, and verb, then object. Okay. Will your brother be joining the army?
No.
He won't.
No.
Okay. He won't be joining the army. Okay. Will your mother be cooking food?
Yes, my mother will be cooking food.
Okay. So will be first form ing to make any statement definite or if any activity is taking place somewhere else. Like both of us are here. So what will your father be doing at this time?
He is on.
Yes, he
Will be
at his shop.
at his shop.
वो अभी दुकान पर होंगे. He will be at his shop. He will be working in his shop. वो अपनी दुकान पर काम कर रहे हैं. For any intention, we use going to. The structure will be subject, then is a mass. Instead of future simple, we use is a mass. So tell me, Lavina,
Yes, sir.
what are you going to do this Sunday? इस संडे आप क्या करने जा रही हैं? Her intention.
I'm going to celebrate my younger brother's birthday.
Okay, congratulations, very good. So I'm going to celebrate. मैं celebrate करने जा रही हूँ. Okay. Are you going to celebrate your brother's birthday with your family or with your friends?
With my family.
Okay, I'm going to celebrate my brother's birthday with my
Family.
family. Okay. So any intention, for any intention we use is are going to. Future simple is future indefinite. Not sure. Will be ing future continuous. We use to make any statement definite.
Definitely.
Suppose I will wait for you. I'm not going to make it definite. Just I'll be waiting for you. It means मैं जरूर आपका वेट करूँगा. I'm going to wait for you. मैं आपका वेट करने जा रहा हूँ. Okay. I'm going to prepare tea for you. मैं आपके लिए चाय बनाने जा रहा हूँ. So here an intention. In near future, a well-planned action is being taken place. For it, we use going to.
Going to.
Okay. What are you going to do to make your career, Lavina? Tell me. आप अपना करियर बनाने के लिए क्या करने जा रही हैं? What are you going to do to make your career?
I am going to prepare
my all the subjects.
my all the subjects.
Okay.
reading books.
Yes. Are you going to learn English?
Yes.
I'm going to learn English to get my career. It's very important to learn English. As in most of the videos, we see that there is use of English,
English.
spoken English.
Yes.
So, are you going to make your English perfect? क्या आप अपनी English perfect करने जा रही हैं?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I am going to perfect my English.
Yes. Make my English
Make my
perfect.
perfect.
So, in this way, we are going to finish our today's class. Thanks a lot for being with me. हम करने जा रहे हैं. We are going to finish. I'm going to start nouns from next video. अगले वीडियो से मैं nouns शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ. Intention. So keep watching our videos. Thanks a lot. Okay, bye.